working days of this order file its lists of candidates for the said reserved seats, and the provisions of Election Act 2017 and the Election Rules 2017 shall be applied to such lists in such manner as gives effect to this order in full measure. The Commission shall, out of the reserved seats for women and minorities in the National Assembly to which para 3 of this order applies, notify as elected in terms of the Article 51 provisions that a number of candidates from the list filed or as the case may be to be filed by the PTI as it is proportionate to the general seats secured by it in terms of paragraph 7 and 8 of this order. Paragraph 10. The foregoing paras shall apply mutus mutandis for purposes of Article 106 in relation to PTI for the reserved seats for women and minority in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh provincial assemblies to which paragraph 3 of this order applies. In case the Commission or PTI need any clarification or order as to give effect to this para in full measure, it shall forthwith apply to the court by making an appropriate application which shall be put before the judges constituting the majority in chambers for such orders and directions as may be deemed appropriate.
Thank you, Your Honor. Very grateful. Now I call upon Justice Yahya Afridi, who's written a separate short order. Do we need to? You want to read it or you want to?